Hello. You're no doubt confused. Well, at some point in the future, mankind invents this perpetual energy device. It's flipped on and immediately obliterates half the universe. Technically, it works. All the energy that once so helpfully made up humans and trees and bras and what have you, instead now condenses in midair and drops to the floor as glowing blue cubes of power. Trouble is... Oh, fine. You're skipping that, are you? Okay, go on then. Right, here we go then. Monkeys. Yep, jump, jump, good. Very monkey-like. Try to perform a wall grab. Smack his stupid little idiot monkey face into the wall. Now you'll have to crouch under that. No, you got it. Power cubes. Now this is what it's all about. They sort of just tumble out of mid-air. Ian, in the science team, says it's something to do with conservation of energy. Don't fully understand it myself, but when all the futuristic humans get disintegrated, this is what happens to them. We don't tell that to the customers, obviously. You know what they're like. They'd only ring in to complain about the fact that their kettles are being powered by their great dead grandchildren. I mean, dead dinosaurs? Fine. But heavens no, not great-nephew Clive. That'd be awful. Don't worry about death right now. Sadly for us, this monkey can't be killed, so we can't watch its stupid little monkey guts tumble through the air like graceful spaghetti, unfortunately. These power-up crates at you as often as we can to try and help. Don't let the other side get to them first. There's all sorts of trendy power-ups available. Cryo freezes the other team's monkeys solid in a column of pure snow. All sorts, really. There's even a laser that can shoot through walls, if you can imagine that. Weepy weep. These dumb little